This is a smooth arrow animation using an 8x8 LED matrix. It runs using the MAX7219 module, making control simple and stable. You only need an Arduino, a MAX7219 matrix, and a few jumper wires. Connect DIN to pin 11, CS to pin 10, and click to pin 13. Once connected, the animation runs smoothly. The code uses frame animation and a mirror function. The arrow moves right, then instantly switches direction to the left. You can download the full code in the description.